This is a neat little clock. On the back it has charging ports, volume, 12 to 24 hours, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Right here it has the temperature. This is your alarm 1 and 2, and of course the time. To set the time, you'd hit this until it flashes, and then you just turn this. To do the next one, you would turn it, and time set. It has several different alarms. You would set your alarm by holding this down, turn it to what you need it to. Again. Here's the alarms. Then you can do the radio as well. And then to set it, you hit that again. It'd be the same for number 2. Here's the radio button. Hold it. Push it once. Then you turn this right here. And then your radio's on. And this right here is a button as well to snooze. Right here's the temperature. Right now it's in Celsius. I live in the US, so Fahrenheit. 77 degrees outside. Second alarm's off. First alarm's on. And there's the time.